Yeah, things have happened. So my friend's older brother, they played a truth or dare game, and one of them dared the older brother to buzz his head, and then
flip a coin to see.
No,
Oh,
this
just to buzz it? Okay.
Yeah, just to buzz it. So he did, and then his brother did it. Now a few people in our school have.
Everybody.
And so I flipped a coin, and it landed on heads, which kind of, well, head means buzz. So it landed on heads, and now I buzzed it. But there's a line right here
From your hard part.
Yep.
And I kind of actually love the little hard part line. Olivia, show the back of his hair. So Cody texted me and was like, Mom, can I do this truth or dare? Which I thought that was really...
Flip a coin.
Yeah. I thought that was really nice that you asked. Because I think some kids may have just buzzed their heads. And reluctantly I said yes because, you know, it's not that big of a deal. But actually, I think you look super handsome.
He can pull it off really well.
It makes you look like a flippin' teenager.
It does. I don't like it.
He's so old looking.
I got so many bites, like they're all over. Like I have one like over.
Yeah, let's see.
Wait, no.
I have a bite from our camping trip too, like in my scalp.
See, like I have them like right here.
I have two of them on my eye, like one right here and one right here.
Yeah.
It is fall break, and truth be told, when we went on when we went on our RV trip last week, I thought I was scheduling it over Christmas. I thought I was scheduling it over fall break. Come to find out, I take the kids out of school for the RV trip, which I really didn't want to do, and then this week is fall break. So that was an error on my part. Don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't thinking.
My leggings are kind of weird. Did we put them in?
They're probably mine.
No, these are 6.
Are they?
Yeah. I think you may have put them in the dryer.
I did not put them in the dryer.
Because this like stretched
Yeah,
out
why
and
do they look open?
I don't know. I didn't stretch them out.
That's so weird. I can see that they're not, like a stitch may have come undone. Luckily, leggings, Lululemon has a really fantastic like policy where if there's like a seam comes undone or like something like that happens, they replace them. So honestly,
Let's go replace them.
you know what? And we're going down that way.
Yes.
Not today, but tomorrow. So yeah, let's take those in and we'll. Oh, those shoes look really cute with your pink and yellow tie dye.
Because we're going up to the property.
You should just put those on anyway, but.
Meh.
All right, well, let's go. Let's go. Who's downstairs? Okay, let's go.
I'm like, okay.
You guys ready to go?
No.
Well, let's go. I love when the vine on that fence turns red. Did you guys know that at Jersey Mike's, you can get your sandwich in like a salad form like this without the bread? And I know that like, what's the other place? What's the other sandwich place? Jimmy John's. Every time we go to Jimmy John's, I get a headache. And I just don't really love the taste of their meat.
Yeah, it's not.
I don't know. I just don't like love it. It's just not my thing. And I have no idea what makes Jersey Mike's taste so good. It's just delicious. Please don't kick the lid off with, oh, see how easy those lids come off? Will you make sure that you don't kick it with your feet? Thank ya. So is this what you do all day? Just sit here in the shade?
It's my portable office.
You said I could get
You editing for me?
Yours is done. I'm editing mine.
Oh, nice. Thanks.
I don't know if you know what mine is. Mine is today's task.
Sure
We'll link
is.
it down below.
Sure is, and you know what? I'm not gonna show you guys the framing. You're gonna have to wait for my framing video, but I'll tell you whose channel does show it. That guy's. Where the heck did Lincoln go?
I don't know.
All right, you're in my seat, sir. I'm gonna sit right where you are. We're just gonna sit here and in the shade of the bigger trailer for our lunch break.
Oh yeah.
I seriously cannot believe your hair. Do you regret it? Do you wish you wouldn't have? No?
He did it for dare. I'm not losing my hair. It wasn't a dare. Hey, that rhymed. He did it for dare. I'm not losing my hair.
Nice.
There. It was all of a coin. Well, he did it with my friend. If it didn't land, if it was a no buzz, I probably would have still buzzed it just for fun.
It's really handsome on you. I like it. Do you guys remember the last time you buzzed your heads?
Yeah, I died. It was the worst thing of my life, but here I am doing it again.
It was that was horrible. That was absolutely so sad. It was. I'll link that video in the description for you guys. It's an oldie but a goodie.
It's a goodie.
Hey, where's mine? Well, this is exciting. We got a truckload of more lumber. Hey, that's really exciting. I don't even know why I'm filming.
Some of those, the front wheels will pivot,
Uh-huh.
and you can.
What is that he's moving? Is that a
That's
beam?
a beam that he's taking back. It's the wrong.
Oh, that's the one he's taking back?
Yep.
Got it. What do you think, boss?
I think it's sick.
Yeah, Joel and I are out here trying to decide where we want to put our garbage cans. Because I feel like I want to keep the garbage cans inside this garage, and Joel is kind of wanting them outside of the garage.
Oh, see, look. See, it's like turned sideways. Now you can drive sideways. How cool is that?
Oh, hey, that's awesome.
Amazing.
That actually is cool.
That's a $4,000 beam.
Did you say $4,000 beam? Wow. And it was the wrong size. Whoops. All right, so question everyone. Where do you put your garbage cans? Do you keep them in the garage? Do you keep them outside of the garage? I personally want it inside the garage. I don't think we'll smell it as long as we keep, you know, everything inside plastic bags.
I think they'll smell. I don't know.
Tell us what you guys
Is
do.
there a better garbage can you can buy that's like
No, I just.
smell-free?
Ow! Ow! I just kicked your boot. Ow! What you doing, Goofy?
Down racks up the wall.
Rocks or dirt clumps?
Yeah, it's dirt clumps.
It's time to go. Can you guys even see him?
He wants to just.
Keep going then. Let's see.
I'm trying to get way better at them. I can do a good one.
Ooh, but I mean, Lincoln, I don't know what I just saw, but that was pretty cool. We're all, eating our leftovers from the weekend.
Good thing you made dinners for this week, last week.
Yeah, we've eaten real good this week from all those leftovers. Mr. Hoellein, I worked the whole time you were gone working, and, you know,
Sweetie, we're RV owners. You gotta take care of that RV.
you are an RV owner, and you are... I had full intentions of washing that thing. I did. But I saw how hard you were working today at the property, and it didn't look very hard. It looked like you were just sitting there.
Standing around, twiddling my thumbs.
Because that's how stuff gets done. You just sit there and it just gets done.
I wish. I just sit there and wish it to be done, and it's like the next day it's done.
Ooh, you should, you know what, Joel? You need to make an e-course on how to do that. We'll sell thousands.
How to get crap done without getting crap done?
Yeah, how to get crap done without doing anything at all. That, I mean, if you could teach me the secret, I would love it. I think we're on to something.
Let your spouse know that you're actually working.
Okay, well, I'm going to run to the grocery store while you do that. I did have the intentions of doing it for you. I did.
Well, if you had the intentions, that's all that matters.
It is.
Intentions are 90% of nothing.
And then my intention changed, and my intention was to con you into doing it for me.
Yeah, I figured. I'm actually really excited to. Cody, go get
In
me the
fact-
yellow ladder out of my shed.
In fact, I'm going to write an ebook on how to get your husband. No, what is it? An e-guide on how to get your husband to do what you want him to do.
E-course.
An e-course on how to get your husband to do your chores.
Wait a minute. All this time.
Okay, well. Oh, honey. She's not a soccer playing kind of gal, honey. Are you okay? Yeah, she didn't like that, okay? She's actually just fine.
Mom, Lady's not the future me.
She's not the future you. She's not a professional soccer player.
And the other dog, when
See
you
his
throw it
face
in the air,
smiling.
she would just
Come here. I want to see your two feet. Okay, say goodbye.
I flew in my mouth.
Say goodnight, Kevin.
Hi, Kevin.
Good night, Kevin.
Mom, this is how amazing, when it was in the air, she was like,
Oh, did you just hit your face?
yeah.
Sweetie.
It hurts.
Yeah. Lady said serves you right.
Little yellow ladder.
Where is it at?
Somewhere around there.
The energy that Lincoln has just cracks me up. All right. Love you guys. Goodbye.